How to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. If you're getting the error that says login or password is invalid, then in this video I will show you two ways on how you can fix that. The first way is to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Google. Now from here tap on Password Manager. Find Discord. You want to copy the username, then copy your password. Now head over to Discord and you simply want to paste the username and password. Once that is done, tap on the login option. And with this, you will be able to log into your account. However, if you had not saved your password and username on Google, then the next thing you want to do is simply enter your email or phone number on the first box. Then you want to tap on Forgot Your Password option. Once that is done, an instruction will be sent to your email. Go ahead and check that. Tap on Reset Password. Now you want to create a new password and tap on Change Password. If you had enabled multi-factor authentication, you will have to enter the Discord code here. Once that is done, tap on the Confirm option. After your password has been changed, you want to open up the Discord app, then enter your changed password and tap on the login option. And with this, the Discord login issue will be fixed. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.